What's going on there? Somebody threw their phone?
What's that? Is this my phone? This ain't my phone. This look like my phone. What you say? Period. Hi. Now, everybody. You in the green costume. No, you jumping up and down, but the boy behind you. Yup. My friend, you was yawning. You was yawning. You got the gold slugs in your mouth, y'all. Come here. Come here. Ain't nobody in this bitch supposed to be yawning tonight. Tell him to come here. Yeah? Bring me a bottle of chicas. Somebody bring me some chicas. Bring me some motherfucking chicas. You keep coming. Keep coming. Make some room for him.